Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Gbyte channel. As you can see, my iPhone is currently stuck in recovery mode. If you don't know how to exit this mode, stay tuned. In this video, I'll show you 3 completely free ways to exit recovery mode with just one click. These methods work for any model, whether it's an iPhone 8, an iPhone 17, or anything else. Let's get started. Method 1, force restart your iPhone. This works for all iPhone models. If your iPhone is stuck on the Apple logo or keeps restarting, a force restart is the first thing you should try. It's simple, free, and solves most issues. Just follow along. If you're using an iPhone 6, simply press and hold the home button and the power button simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. This forces the device to restart and exit recovery mode. If you're using an iPhone 7, press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time until you see the Apple logo. For iPhone 8 and newer models, press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Once done, your iPhone will force restart and exit recovery mode. It's that easy. Method 2, wireless recovery using another iPhone. If your power button isn't working, I have another solution. This method is a bit more demanding. You'll need 2 iPhones, and both must be iPhone 15 models or newer. First, make sure the second iPhone is nearby. When your iPhone is in recovery mode, press and hold the side button on the stuck iPhone. Keep holding it until the Apple logo flashes on the screen. At this point, a prompt should appear on the second iPhone saying, "Recover nearby iPhone." That's exactly what we want to see. Enter the passcode and select the option to exit recovery mode. Your iPhone will restart and return to normal. All set. Method 3, one-click exit from recovery mode. If you don't have a second iPhone, or if your iPhone is an older model, pre-iPhone 15, and the side button is broken, well, that's a bit of bad luck, but this method is designed just for you. You can use Gbyte to exit recovery mode for free with a single click. Gbyte is a professional iOS repair tool trusted by millions of users worldwide. It can resolve over 150 types of iOS system issues and supports one-click backup and restore to keep your data safe. I've included the download link in the comments section. Here's how to use it. First, connect your iPhone to your computer and launch Gbyte. You'll see a recovery mode option in the bottom left corner of the interface. Simply click Exit, and your iPhone will automatically exit recovery mode. If you need to enter recovery mode again later, just click Enter within Gbyte. No button presses required. It's a free, one-click solution that's incredibly simple to use. That's all for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.